Congestion. It's bad enough on the road, let alone in your nose. When it comes to congestion, FESS Sinu-Cleanse Wash is a natural solution to help wash away excess mucus and relieves nasal and sinus congestion, leaving you to get on with your day. Part of Australia's #1 saline range, approved by the National Asthma Council Australia. A gentle saline solution ideal for clearing congestion caused by colds, flu, sinusitis, hay fever and allergies. Contains a mild salt solution that is ideal for cleaning out nasal and sinus cavities. A natural, non-medicated, preservative-free solution for relief from moderate to severe nasal congestion. Suitable for everyday use and post-operative care, and can be used during pregnancy and while breastfeeding. To use, empty the sachet into the squeeze bottle. Pour previously boiled lukewarm water into the bottle up to the full line. Make sure the lid is screwed on well and place your finger over the opening. Shake gently until powder dissolves. Leaning over your basin, place the cap gently inside your left nostril. Ensure the tip is pointed towards the back of your head. Keep your mouth open while gently squeezing the bottle in a pulsing action. Allow about half of the solution to wash through the nasal passages and sinus cavity and come out the right nostril. Repeat this process with the other side. Discard unused solution. Wash the bottle cap and tube thoroughly and leave to drip dry. FESS Sinu-Cleanse Wash, helping you breathe easier naturally.